All right, let's do one last video for today, June 8th, Sunday. And let's do 1990 Donruss, because I got a ton of them still. In the form of rack packs, wax packs, and I think I got a cello pack box too. But let's do this rack pack today. 48 cards and 3 puzzles, giving us 9 puzzle pieces. Looks like we've got Greg Vaughn rated rookie, Bobby Bonilla. All right, let's see what we got. And there's 48 card rack pack. Keep these cards in camera view. There we go. All right. Start out with that, looking to see if these cards are in good condition. They are. They're looking great. Corners are all looking decent. All right, we've got Bobby Bow. Derek Lilliquist. Sid Bream. This is actually going to be Derek's rookie card. I don't show him to be a notable rookie on my list, but that's going to be his rookie card. Sid Bream. Chris James, Ron Oyster, Mike Maddox, Craig Biggio. Looks like his second-year card there. We'll put him up there. Terry Pendleton, Ivan Calderon, Dick Schofield, Jeff Russell, Rick Cerrone, Lou Whitaker. Nice, sweet Lou Whitaker. Big fan of him. Greg Brock, Joe Orsolak. There's Donruss Diamond Kings card of Ellis Burks. Always a big fan of those Diamond Kings. We'll put them over here. There's our first Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece, which is the puzzle for 1990. Second section, we've got rated rookie of Greg Vaughn. And, yeah, that's going to be, I've got it listed as Mo Vaughn. But that's not going to be a notable rookie card in the Donruss set, apparently. But his scorecard is worth 50 cents. Bowman card's worth $1. Not quite sure what this is going to be worth. All right, we've got Tim Burke, Dave Parker, Danny Tartable, Mike Socia, Dave Righetti. Great pitcher he was. So we picked up a checklist, number 100. Good deal on that. Chris Carpenter, Todd Froworth, Dean Palmer. Got ourselves a short print here. Dave Winfield, phenomenal player. We'll put Dave up there. Rick Dempsey, I was kidding on the short print. Dale Murphy, nice. We'll take that Dale Murphy. Matt Noakes, B.J. Surhoff, MVP of Pedro Guerrero. That's going to be a bonus card. Our second Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Third section, we've got Dave Gallagher, Lance Parrish, Mike Scott, Ozzie Smith. Nice, good deal on the Ozzie. Darren Dalton, Rob Dibble, Bruce Hurst, Kelly Downs, Jose Lind, Frank Williams, Jeff Hamilton, Steve Balboni, Greg Swindell, Ricky Henderson. Very nice. Rest in peace to Ricky. Tom Gordon, Mike Witt, and our third and final Carl Yastrzemski puzzle piece. Not bad. What we get? We picked up Ricky Henderson. Rest in peace. Phenomenal player. Stolen Base King. Passed away not too long ago. Dale Murphy, another phenomenal player. Lou Whitaker, longtime teammate of my favorite player, Alan Trammell, with the Detroit Tigers. Both started the same year and I think played their whole career with the Tigers. Our one Donruss Diamond King is of Ellis Burks. I just love the Diamond Kings. They're phenomenal looking paintings, so we always put them up on the stand. And then in the center part, we've got Ozzie, got Dave Winfield, and Craig Biggio. There you have it, folks. 1990 Donruss 48-card rack pack with 3 puzzle cards. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay tuned.